Mark and Ashley are co-founders of the Whales of Clayoquot and Barkly.
We work to understand who the whales are that visit southwest Vancouver Island.
Their latest project is working as research associates with the Marine Education and Research Society.
Trying to record drone imagery of our local whales in this area.
The species they're focused on is the grey whale.
We have a subpopulation known as the Pacific Coast Feeding Group.
The group is made up of approximately 230 grey whales. They stay in the Pacific Northwest from Oregon to Vancouver Island to feed every year, instead of making the full migration to the Arctic. Researchers are trying to find out why.
Collaborations between different researchers across the range of these very international animals will hopefully start to be able to answer some of those questions in the near future.
Using a drone with the approval of the Department of Fisheries and Oceans, the pair since 2020 are trying to identify each grey whale as well as document their body condition and feeding behavior.
2025, we recorded drone imagery of 28 different whales. And 22 of those whales that are our local grey whales.
Grey whales can be individually identified by their unique markings.
All these different sort of like spots and splotches and scrapes and white marks of pigmentation, so they're all very individual.
When a grey whale has come to the surface, a full-body drone aerial image is taken. Then, by using software developed by Oregon State University, they can determine the whale's size and condition.
And that measurement creates a surface area that we can kind of get a good idea of the health of this whale.
It looks like in this video a grey whale becoming stranded in shallow water, but it's actually feeding on shrimp-like creatures called mysids and crab larvae off the muddy sediment floor.
As it surfaces in a moment, mouth closed, tongue pumping forwards and almost like, I would say, panning for gold.
It's too early to tell if the Pacific Coast Feeding Group are doing better than the grey whales who migrate to the Arctic to feed, which have washed up dead along our coasts at unprecedented numbers this year. But there's signs that they are.
We're not seeing as many in that shocking condition that you're seeing a lot of these whales migrating by.
Moms with calves like this one last year are known to be in the worst body condition, but video evidence from California this year shows her condition has dramatically improved.
She's found a reliable food source and has bounced back. The whales in the best condition are known to be calves, and that was backed up by the work we did last year as well.
The two hope the data they gather will help better understand their habits and if climate change will impact them like it has with the Arctic migration.
To answer questions like that, have more knowledge to inform future conservation decisions about this species, I think will be quite powerful.
Andy Garland, CTV News, Tofino.